Students explore the solar system through 12 hands-on activities and the Delta Science Reader. In this module, students learn that a solar system includes a star and all the objects that travel around it. Students discover that our solar system includes the Sun, a star, and all of its satellites. These satellites include planets, asteroids, dwarf planets, meteoroids, and comets. Students also learn that some planets, but not all, have their own satellites called moons. In this unit, students role-play different planets to become familiar with the names and positions of the planets. In order of closest to the farthest from the Sun, these planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Students then further their understanding of our solar system by researching one planet and sharing information on their planet with the class. Note that Pluto is no longer considered a planet in our solar system. Instead, scientists call it a dwarf planet. Students gain perspective on the physical relationship between objects in our solar system by observing model planets and a classroom-size model of the solar system. These models dramatize for students the relative sizes and distances of our cosmic neighborhood. Students also become acquainted with some important geometric and astronomic concepts by studying ellipses, planetary orbits, circles, and planet shapes. Students learn that an orbit is the motion of a satellite around another object, and that a satellite is held in its orbit by gravity, or an attractive force between it and the object it's moving around. In this unit, students explore the motion of the planets. They discover that a planet spins on an imaginary axle, which passes through the center and is called its axis. Students come to understand that one complete spin or rotation is called a day on any planet, regardless of the Earth time it takes to complete. One complete orbit or revolution of a planet around the Sun constitutes a year on that planet. Students learn that, generally speaking, the farther a planet is from the Sun, the longer its year. In the Delta Science Reader solar system, students take an exciting tour of the Sun, the planets, and other space objects such as comets, dwarf planets, asteroids, and meteoroids. Students read about the rotation and revolution of the planets and the causes of night and day, seasonal changes, and the phases of the moon. Students also learn how telescopes work and discover celestial patterns called constellations. Finally, the DSM Reader's solar system details the work of a planetary geologist and encourages students to think about how they too can explore the universe. Because of ongoing exploration, we are constantly gathering new information about our solar system. A good source of current information is the NASA website, nasa.gov.